Hey guys, I have here a Polaris Ranger. I wanted to change the battery in it. Let me go ahead and show you guys how to do it. So, it said ever start. Hopefully it'll ever start when I want it to. I need to pop the seat up, take it off. I need to go ahead and take this thing off right here. I need to do this. I need to take the old battery out. Now, if you don't want to lose these things, you may want to put them somewhere special. Another thing is, you may want to put it back in the hole it came out of, after this thing is gone. But let me get this out. Okay, so if you don't want to lose them, maybe consider putting them back in there, but it's whatever. I can put it back here. Okay, take this. Let's go ahead and take the black one off first. Right. Okay. There we go. That back there. This Polaris Ranger has about 93 hours on it, according to the gauge. I actually won this in a Polaris. I won this, whatever. I won this in a raffle. Here's the old battery. I've not really liked the performance of it. It's kind of an older battery. Go ahead and get some of this, whatever, out. Actually, you know what? Maybe I can take this whole thing out and dump it out. Okay. What is that? Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and take this. Okay, I might need this actually. So here's the other battery. Now I want to use the new screws things here. Okay. This is a little weird. So we have the vent tube, right? Or whatever this is. And then it's over here on this side. But it's opposite. So there's positive, positive, and then this is on the negative. So probably be a good idea to wear safety goggles when I do this. But whatever, I might just take it here, pop it in there, and stick it in one of those holes down there. So right here, let's put these things in. You guys be really careful not to lose these little things right here. Yeah, don't drop them. Okay, so here we go. I actually won this Polaris in a raffle. The blessing of the Lord. So, I need the vent tube to go down. All right, like so. Now, let's take this and let's connect the positive first. It was maybe about an hour of this thing ending, the online portion, and God brought it to my mind to enter, and I bought one $25 ticket and I won. So this Polaris is the blessing of God. Can you hold it back a little bit? All right, let me take this here. All right. All right. I may tighten that up actually more for here. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to crank it up. After I'm done, putting all the cables on, maybe I'll put the seat on and try to tighten it up. Let's see if this thing works. Okay. Now let's put the bracket on. Here. Will it fit with the new battery? Hopefully. Okay, what's going on? Does it not work? If it doesn't work, needs some adjustment. It doesn't seem to be like as good of a fit, but you know what? Huh. So whatever. Okay. Let's go ahead and maybe this battery is slightly taller, but when I may have looked it up and this was the battery that fit, so whatever. I could probably just not put that bracket on if I wanted to. Let's see here. That is so weird. If you need a cough, go ahead and cough, cameraman. All right. Guys, I might not be able to put the battery bracket on because it actually looks like it doesn't quite fit right. But if the seat's over the battery anyways, like what's the big deal? I could always zip tie it to the thing. But is it going in? Maybe it's going in. It looks like this is not like the exact like height, but when I looked it up, this may have been the one. So whatever. Yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and pop the seat on and see if this sucker starts up. Hopefully, that'll work. These things are so much fun. Okay. All right. Looks like there's power. Headlights, there we go. Do it again. Awesome. Guys, like the video? Changing a battery in a Polaris Ranger. Please give the video a like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you guys so much. Have a good day and God bless you.